Hi there, so if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how you can make your first $100 per day promoting other people's product with affiliate marketing. Now in this video I will give you a brief but very detailed plan on how to do it and how my students were able to replicate this same method themselves. Now the first thing, as you know, is you have to pick the right niche, the right offer. How to do that? Think about this. The number one thing that you have to keep in mind is you have to pick the offer where people are already willingly spending money hand over fist every single day. That way you don't have to convince them, right? Because they're already purchasing products anyway, with or without you every single day. So this can be either in the health and wellness space. This can be, for example, retired people or baby boom generation, 50 or 60 years and older, who are looking to look younger, right? For example, skincare products. In the health space, it could be health offers to keep themselves healthy, right? To live longer. And they're already spending money every single day on such products. So think about this niche where people are already spending money hand over fist every single day. Another thing is you need to have the right traffic source. And of course, before traffic, you need a landing page or website. Now when it comes to the website, you have to keep in mind that for the compliant website, if you're running paid traffic, Facebook ads or Google ads to your website, you need to have a compliant website, which is basically what most affiliates get wrong. That is the reason why they get shut down at the end, right? They're getting YouTube ad shut down, they're getting Facebook ad shut down, and Google ad shut down. Because Google and Facebook wants fresh content. They want educational value for their customer, for the visitor who is playing, for example, social media or using social media every single day, right? And also when a person is scrolling through the social media, they have to grab attention, right? They have to put attention on many things. So if your ad is standing out, if your ad is pre-framing them, pre-qualifying them, and pre-selling them, then when they click on your ad and going over to your landing page, right, they are going to get pre-sold, because the purpose of the landing page is not to get sales. Remember this. That's why most 99% of affiliates are losing money, losing time on landing pages. The number one thing of landing page, the job is to pre-sell and to pre-frame the customer to go over to, for example, ClickBank vendors page and purchase the product after watching the VSL. So get this straight. You have to make sure that your landing page is positioned in the correct manner, in the correct way. If you know how to do this, and I'm teaching and showing this to my students, if you know exactly how to pre-sell it in the correct way, how to structure categories, how to stack them up, right? And at the end, the person is going to find out like they discovered something new, not that they get sold on the offer or the product that you're promoting as an affiliate, right? So make sure, because if you do that correctly, you can start having results, right? You can start getting sales. You can start generating a lot of not only money but also repeat customers, right? And upsells. So pick an offer that costs at least from $50 all the way to $200. That way you can also have repeat sales, upsells, right? Upsell flow is really important. That way you can get more sales and more affiliate commissions. So if you're watching this video, please, before you leave, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any more questions, or if you want to have done for you affiliate campaigns, done for you affiliate website, and one-on-one support where we actually together set up the ad campaigns, then you can reach me out after watching this video. Below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts where we can connect together, and you can start working directly with me one-on-one. So please subscribe to my channel, and below this video are links to my social media accounts that we can connect. You can also email me and ask me more questions. Again, thank you for watching this video.